Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kai. In today's video, I will be sharing my okra soup recipe, the Togolese way, of course. I will be showing you all the ingredients we're going to need for today's recipe. Without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. I have the palm oil here, a bowl of tiger prawns, green peppers, this one are sweet, 2 aubergines or eggplants, and some smoked mackerel. I will be seasoning the cow skin with ginger, garlic, and all-purpose seasoning, and I will go in as well with some water to bring it to a boil and let it cook for 20 minutes. And after that, you're going to see that it will become softer, and I will be adding it to the okra soup later on. After 20 minutes now, I'm just checking it, and it's exactly how it's supposed to be, quite soft. I will add that later. Whilst that is cooking on low heat now, let's start making the soup. I added some oil into my cooking pot, and now I just added the potash, and that is going to help my okra cook exactly how I want it, just in the middle, not too slimy. Okay, I froze my okra, so if you're not going to cook it straight away, when you buy it, just cut it and keep it in the freezer, and whenever you're ready to cook, you just bring it out and make your okra soup. Now it starts boiling, as you can see, and I'm going to add the palm oil. Sometimes my mom just cook it without the palm oil. I like mine with the red palm oil. So I'm going to stir everything nicely and add the cow skin and the tiger prawns. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. If you like yummy recipes, kindly subscribe so you can get my notifications when I upload a new recipe. Now let's stir everything nicely, and this is the time to go in with a little bit of salt and also a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Mix everything properly and check if you are happy with the salt. But if you know, this is the time to add a little bit more. I'm good with it, so I'm going to add the remaining ingredient. To my old subscribers, if you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment. Would you pair your okra soup with eba, pounded yam, or semolina? That's what I'm going to pair my okra soup with. So let me know in the comment section. If you have children, normally they don't like the okra soup too spicy, so I just added half of the pepper in, so the soup won't be too spicy for someone that doesn't like spicy food. It will just be right, and I will enjoy mine with that pepper you're seeing right there. There you have it. Our yummy okra soup is ready, and I already said I will be pairing it with semolina, so I will show you quickly how I make my semolina. Already added water and a little bit of semolina. I'm just going in now. Make sure like you stir it quickly because you don't want any lump in it, and once it starts boiling, you just add your semolina. And again, you have to be fast here. Keep turning super fast and continuously, and 5-7 minutes your semolina will be ready, like you can see right here. I'm going to serve the food now. Sometimes as well you can add a little bit of spinach if you wish to, but today I decided just to use the okra by itself, and it works perfectly well. And I'm going to wash my hands now and dive right into it. You can use your fork or a spoon if you wish to, but I'm going my way. So in Togo we say midunule, which means you are invited to join me and enjoy this food. The cow skin, you can see you have to make sure it's soft so you can enjoy that as well. And guys, this was so delicious. But I have to say goodbye to you now and enjoy this food. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye. Au revoir.